When your request is completed, you can download the report and your data directly from your request. To do so, you have to go into the request, and now you have here the option Download. When you download the report, you will get a PDF file, which you can open with any PDF reader. At the beginning, there's an experimental section where the setup which was used to measure your data is described. You will also find a list of all the files that you can download from our data portal. In another section, we describe the refinements of our reference standards, and this is followed by a list of the gains instrumental functions for Topaz. So if you want to do your own refinements in Topaz, you can use this as a template. At the end of the report, you find an overview of your measurements. So for every sample, you will see a 2D image and the 1D integrated powder pattern. In case of PDF, additionally, you get the processed PDF data. To download your data, you have to go again to Download and then Data. Here you can choose to download the raw data, which would be the 2D images, the intermediate steps, which are integrated powder patterns, which are not fully corrected yet, and the processed and therefore fully corrected data, which means this data is background subtracted and 2 theta offset corrected. If you download the data, you will get a zip folder named after your request. So you have to unpack the zip folder by using any kind of software, or Windows, for example, also has an inbuilt function where you can just go to extract all. Now you can open your folder, and here you have data for the references or for your samples. And in case of XRD, that means you will have the powder patterns as 3-column ASCII files, which you can open in any text editor. For PDF, you will also have the powder patterns as XYE, but also the processed PDF functions. Additionally, you can download the supplementary files. If you do so, you get as well a zip folder, which you have to unpack first. Then you can go into this, and this folder contains fits for the reference materials. So for XRD, that means you will not only get the powder pattern of our standard Lab 6, but also a Topaz input file already refined, which you can use as a template to do your own refinements within Topaz. You just have to remove all the refinement flags. And for PDF, you get as additionally a file for PDF GUI, which again you can also use to do your own refinements in PDF GUI.